Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play online Ark Survival Evolved on PlayStation 4. First, make sure your console has a stable internet connection. An active PlayStation Plus subscription is essential for online multiplayer access. Once connected, simply launch the game from your PlayStation's home screen. We'll then navigate the in-game menus to find the perfect server for your adventure. It's a straightforward process to dive into the vast world of Ark with friends or other players. After launching the game, select Join Ark from the main menu. Here, you'll see a list of available servers. You can filter these by official, unofficial, or player-dedicated options, depending on your preference. Consider factors like server ping, which ideally should be below 100 milliseconds for a smooth experience, and the current player count. Finding a good server ensures a more enjoyable and stable online adventure. Official servers provide a consistent experience, maintained directly by the game developers with standard rates for gathering and experience. Unofficial servers, however, are run by the community and often feature boosted rates, custom rules, and unique mods, offering a different gameplay style. Player-dedicated servers are perfect for playing exclusively with a small group of friends, providing a private and controlled environment. Each type offers a distinct way to experience Ark. To thrive online, begin by establishing a small base in a relatively safe area, focusing on gathering essential resources like wood and stone. Joining a tribe is highly recommended. It offers protection, shared resources, and a collaborative experience, making survival much easier. Effective communication with your tribe members and other players, whether through text chat or voice, is key to successful teamwork and navigating the dynamic online world of Ark.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.